Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the front and back cameras on the Oppo Find X2 Lite mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating completes, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic carpet tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and then undo 11 screws to take out the board cover. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, disconnect and pull out the network and front camera from the top center. Before pulling out, remove the adhesive strip from the flex. Next, disconnect and pull out the networking ultra-wide, wide, macro and depth cameras from the logic board. You can always disconnect the specific networking camera and replace with a new one with it. Next, place and secure new all four rear cameras on the logic board. Next, place and secure the new front camera to the logic board. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, secure the board frame by adding 11 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we add in binding clips to tie in the rear car with the body. If not, you can use rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.